Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to talk about sealed class. What is called a sealed class? So usually in the case of inheritance, anybody can inherit the class, right? Class A can be inherited by class B, class C can inherit the class A, and class D can inherit the class A. So which means any class can inherit the class A. If you want to bring restriction to this type of inheritance, you can use a sealed. So a programmer can decide which class can inherit a particular class. So when you declare any class as a sealed, you have to declare its subclass. Okay, and the subclasses of the sealed class must be either sealed, non-sealed, or final. Okay, so that is what a demo that we are going to see now. Let me just declare a class vehicle. Okay, so I have to declare this class as a sealed. How will I do it? Just say sealed here. After this, okay, you need to mention permits. Okay, so I can tell bike can inherit this vehicle class. Then I can tell car can inherit this vehicle class. Right? Still we didn't declare, right? That's why it is showing an error. Now I have to declare sealed class bike extends vehicle. Okay, extends vehicle. Because I mentioned this bike as sealed, I have to tell the subclass permits. Okay, so you can just say electric bike. Okay, so what I'm saying here, electric bike can inherit bike. Next I'm going to give non-sealed class car extends vehicle. Okay, right? So there is no issue. Non-sealed class means just like a normal class. Any class can inherit the car class. Okay, right? This is one point. Next one, suppose if I going to add lorry. Okay, so in this case lorry can extend size. So class lorry extends vehicle, right? So we have to say whether it is sealed, non-sealed, or final. So I'm going to give final here, right? So which means no other class can inherit this final class. Okay, right? Sealed class means it is restricted to only the classes which is given permission can inherit this. Non-sealed means any class can inherit that particular class. Final means no other class can inherit that particular class. Okay, hope you understood the difference. Okay, so next I'm going to create a class bike. Okay, so I'm just giving it below there. I'm giving a class. Okay, class electric bike extends bike. Okay, this is great. Okay, now we have to say, because it is inherited, right, so it has to be a final. So I'm just stopping the inheritance with this. That's it. Okay, so next you can just give public class. Okay, so sealed class demo. Okay, so just give a main out sealed class demo. What it says, anyway, okay, maybe a typo, right? So now we understood, right? So sealed class means only few classes can inherit, but it has to be listed along with the sealed class. Okay, so here bike, car, lorry, only these three class can inherit this vehicle. When coming to the final class, you all know that you don't have to declare the final, inherit the final class, because it is final. Okay, so no other class can inherit this. Non-sealed means any other class can extend the car class. Okay, you see I can give like class Okay, electric car extends car. This will not give any error. You see, it's very simple. Okay, so inside this you can give the constructor and whatever the property that you want to give, you can give it. Not an issue, right? So this is what a sealed class and it will do. So it depends upon the use case. Okay, so I'm getting sealed class over here. So you can write some methods and you can call it in the respective subclass. Okay, you can use a polymorphism here. So what authority that uh, every program is getting because of the sealed class, so he is getting a rights, okay, so to decide which class can inherit this.